What's up, family? How's everybody doing? Hope you're all right. I'm making this video. I hope it will be relatively quick. It is about regular trading hours gaps when trading futures. And we had a call tonight, and someone on the call had asked about, um, I guess it was in the chat, and I forgot to answer the question on the call. So I don't remember the exact question, but I think it was like, how do you monitor the regular trading hours gap? Do you just keep flipping back and forth between regular trading hours? And I'm just going to share what I do that works for me. And if you don't know what regular trading hours is, when we're trading futures, it trades 23 hours a day. So this is 23 hours worth of data. Um, and the regular trading hours, um, starts at 9:30 a.m. and ends at 4 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So the gap would be from, for example, close on Monday to open on Tuesday. So I'll show you how um, I monitor that gap. And yeah. So the first thing I do when market opens is I turn off electronic trading hours. And now you see, for example, on Friday, market closed here. On Monday, it opened here. And in this case, price filled the regular trading hours gap. And this is pretty common for CL. We're looking at crude oil futures right now. So what I would do, um, if you don't know how to use the object tree in TradingView, I did a video and I'll link it in the comments. So maybe that'll help you. And I haven't watched that video in a while, so maybe I need to watch it to make sure it's like pretty comprehensive. But so, for example, let's say market opened here on Tuesday, then I would go to my object tree and I would turn on my regular trading hours. So in this case, this is the Monday gap. So all I do for Tuesday is I reset the gap. So um, so I'll take this and I until I learn differently or something else makes sense, I mark the gap close to the gap open. I know some people will do just this part of the gap, but in my mind, the gap is from when the market closed to the market opened. So that's why I mark it this way. Um, and then a lot of times you'll find with the regular trading hours gap, it might fill 50%. So then that's when I put the Gann box on here. So I could monitor that level, right? So I got my gap marked. Now I can turn on electronic trading hours. And now I know what the gap is that I'm looking to fill. And that is from 9:30 market open to 4:30 market close. So this was a fantastic gap fill today. It's like it pulled back to give you an opportunity. And another thing, this is not the video for it, but I'm just curious to see, oops, what midnight open was. Yeah. This bad boy today just dipped right below midnight open into an order block. This is not the purpose of this video, but look at that. Look at that gap fill, baby. Oof. So anyway, that is how I monitor my gap without having to switch back and forth like this and like that. And then, once I'm done with it, um, I can just turn off these levels and put back on regular trading hours. Oh, and that's that. That's how I monitor the regular trading hours gap. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and I hope you have a nice day. Thank you very much. Goodbye.